to Mark McKinley.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would just like to say that it is an absolute honour for me to be here representing Guinness World Records for this record attempt called the Largest Ocarina Ensemble. Now, this has been a record that's been long in work. David Liggins and Krista, especially at the Ocarina Workshop, are working very hard, especially communicating with myself for the past month on a daily basis to make sure everything was ready and that everybody had the best chance of becoming a Guinness World Records title holder here today. Now, it was an excellent effort from absolutely everyone involved. I do have to say that we did have to disqualify a number of people from the attempt for a number of reasons. Some people just didn't play, some people giggled throughout, and some people gave up and stood up and took some photographs. I hope those are nice memories. The current Guinness World Records title for the largest ocarina ensemble is held in China, and it is 831 people. Taking into account the disqualifications today, I can tell you that you managed the current record 831. Today you managed 3,080. Excellent conducting there, very good. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to announce that the new Guinness World Records title for the largest ocarina ensemble was achieved by David Liggins, Ocarina Workshop and the Schools Music Association of Great Britain, and every single one of you. Congratulations, you are officially